Hey guys, Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. We're talking about daily learning versus daily doing. Now, what do I mean by that? So there's two sides of this. Think about it like a seesaw. There's education and then there's execution, right? Both of them are equally important. But typically, one's more top heavy than the other. Now, there's real estate investors out there that are learning, and they never take it to the real world to execute, right? And then they're never going to accomplish anything. But on the other side, there's what's a good way to determine it? Adventurous, that they're just out there doing deals and executing and putting properties under contract, but they don't know what the hell they're doing and they're going to get themselves in trouble. So it's important to understand both sides. You learn, you do. You learn, you do. You learn, you do. You educate yourself, you execute, right? Make sure you're learning on a regular basis. Daily learning, things change regularly. Learn and then do and execute. And that's the formula, not just for real estate investing, with anything in life.